The new millennium. The world is condensed into a global village. The world as a single family, where information has transcended every geographical boundary. India, a country that never ceases to amaze the intellectuals. A veritable kaleidoscope of all diversities. A unique place where ancient wisdom blends collectively with all that is modern and contemporary. Just 150 kilometers from Mumbai, the commercial capital of India, is Pune, the cultural capital of India. The Oxford of the East. One of the most prominent institutes in Pune is VIT, the Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, a premier technical institute offering state-of-the-art education. Swakarmana tamabhyarcha siddhim vindati manavaha, which means work as a worship is the key to success. Learning is an experience never confined to four walls. In India, learning is done in tune with nature. Every great journey begins with a single step, the step of a visionary man, the Honorable Mr. Rajkumar Agarwal, Chairman of the Institute. In Indian mythology, Vishwakarma is the god of all craftsmen, the god of all technicians, all engineers. Our aim here is to groom the future Vishwakarmas. The goal is to create the future pillars of the technical world. Thus begins the mission. The mission to create hardcore technocrats from young, impressionable, intellectual minds, for which we provide the best equipment, state-of-the-art facilities, conducive ambience, an academic environment and dedicated staff. The focus is always the common student. One-to-one interaction with the students is the main purpose. No wonder students from all over India and also from several countries across the globe are enjoying this experience. The mission gathered momentum under the dynamic leadership of Principal H.K. Abhyankar. The mission to imbibe the spirit of professionalism. The mission to thrive for excellence. We believe in education as a two-way process. We dedicate ourselves to the technical and social skills and the inculcation of values that define professional conduct. The mission, now a force to reckon with in the technical world, is powered by the dynamic and visionary management and a faculty committed to excellence. The mission of the staff and the faculty is confined not only to teaching and training, but also to the placement of the students. The mutual harmony and satisfaction between students and companies is the ultimate aim. "18 years of dedicated hard work and a dream converted into reality. 4 years of grooming and the Vishwakarmas are ready to face the challenges of the world." Various engineering companies, our external customers, are satisfied because students, our internal customers, are satisfied. We have miles to go and promises to keep. Promising the world the best technocrats. Promising the budding technocrats the best education of the world. Only at VIT, Vishwakarma Institute of Technology. Our mission is to prepare competent engineers, imbibed with the spirit of professionalism and responsible citizenship in a competitive global environment. To this end, the management and faculty commit themselves to the pursuit of excellence in technical education through the discovery and dissemination of knowledge, development of technical and social skills, and the inculcation of values that define professional conduct.